Thanks to a generous commitment from the Helen Diller Foundation, today we break ground on the Helen Diller Anchor House, the most visible indicator of progress toward addressing our critically important housing priority. This beautiful full-service space will transform the experience of our transfer students. This will be a certified LEED Gold building with 244 apartments with individual bedrooms for 772 students. Not only will the building require no public funds to construct, net income generated by the property will fund scholarships for undergraduates from underrepresented populations and first-generation college students. The Helen Diller Anchor House will connect these students directly to the campus. It will provide them a place they can call home and build community around and ensure that they thrive academically, socially, and culturally.